Hello everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing video for you guys today. I got my Love of Food box. This is April's box. If I'm correct, I'll put the information down below if you guys want to try it out. They are doing a promo code, so I got this box for $8, but my next box will only be $5. Because I did like a deal they had going on where you got 2 boxes for a different price. So this is what the box looks like. I have gotten one of these a long time ago, so I'm kind of excited because I know it's going to be good. But yeah, let's just open it. So this is what you see when you first open the box. So first thing I see in here that caught my eye is these incredible puffs, cinnamon apple pie flavor. Ooh. I can't wait to try these. So I got that. Next thing I see in here is an acorn bar. Coconut, ginger, and apricot. It's gluten-free. A blend of acorns, oats, and other good stuff. I may not be able to eat this. I will have to see. But the ingredients are pretty clean. It's acorn starch. Okay, I may be able to eat this. So it's very soft. You guys obviously can't feel it, but it's very soft. Can you guys see that? Like I can squish it. So I'm hoping I can eat this. If not, my kids will enjoy it. And I'll let you guys know how these snacks are. Next thing, ooh, I want to try these so bad. It's the Equate. Wow. My brain's tired. Awake mint dark chocolate bar. It's like coffee infused chocolate. I always want to try these. And I finally got one in here. Next thing I see here, which I can't eat this. It's Undercover Dark Chocolate and Sea Salt Crispy Quinoa Premium Chocolate. I may be able to, I may not, I don't know. But that looks good. Next thing I got in here is Crackling Kumquat branded wheat snack, sea salt. I don't even know if I pronounced that right. Let me know down below if I pronounced that right. But it kind of feels like those corn nuts. So I got that. Next is I got the Split 2 Great Foods 1 Great Pack almond butter and blueberry spread. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. That's gonna be good on pancakes or something. You can eat it by itself, or you can put it in a meal. Next thing I got, which I know I won't be able to eat, but I'll give this to the kids or something, is Benito's Simply Delight Sea Salt Chips. So I got these as well, but that's my box, guys. I'm pretty happy. Like, there's only like 2 things I'm not really sure I can eat. But you know what? That's good. I appreciate them trying to, you know, get a box that everyone can eat things from. These I know I definitely can't eat. I'll give them to the kids. Same with the chips right here. But pretty good box for how much I paid for it. And I'm really, really excited to try these out. And I'm really excited to try this. But yeah, that's my box for this month. I will do more of these. And I have another subscription box coming soon. And I'll show you guys that when I get it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.